if I could get 13 likes on here, guys, or 13, I don't think I could do it. That proved me wrong, YouTube family. Thanks for all your support that you're giving me. 50 subscribers in 2 days. What? We might not be the most growing, that in 2 days that many. Thanks, guys. But people might get more. Doesn't matter. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a loud pop. So if you already know how, go to a different video of mine. I love y'all. Thank you for all your support again. I really love y'all. So get a piece of paper. It'll be better if you just get a straight one. I'm giving support, so I know I didn't make this on my own. My cousin in DC taught me how to make this, and this is how you do it. Grab this, you fold it in half, like this. Make sure you get it accurate. Alright, then this is important. You swipe down, and then you gotta make sure you have it even. See? Alright, at least it's super close to even then. But then you go like that. And then the star part, you take a finger, you swipe down on this line right here. Then you unfold, and then you go like that. Then you take this line, and where you see this folded papers, that's where you fold it at, right there. And then do the finger again. Then you should have this. That's what you should have. Then you fold it again. See, you fold it again. And then you do the finger trick again. When I do it in school, people get scared. That's how loud it is. So then you should have something like this. Then you fold it. And this is the hard part. So when you open it, when you open it, if yours look like this, it looks like that, don't do it. Then you turn it to the other side to do it. And then yours should be like this. They don't look that fat. So then you open it, like I said, so like this. You open it, you grab the two on the inside, right? Grab these two, then you have this. See, I'm still grabbing it in two insides, see? Then when you have that, all you do is make the line up, hold it, boom. And while you do that, you still hold your fingers right there, and you turn it around, and, well, basically, you already get it. So, you go like this. Alright, even though I don't like science, we'll have to do a little science here. Welcome to Dr. Dez show. It's like, anyway. So then you should have like two circles. Then when you yank down, since paper is like loud when you tear, then when the air molecules go in it, and it makes kinetic energy, I think. It makes this loud boom noise. So, guys, I'm in church, so I close the door. You might can hear, like, it might not be loud on here, on there, but it's loud. Look. Even she heard it. It's not like you getting smacked so hard or like a gunshot. Sorry, guys, because, like, I'm a Christian. And, see, she looked at me like she jumped. And then, you want to come in my video? Because she knows how to make them. And yeah. It's really easy. Or you don't have to do like fold it in half. You could just get right into it. Like this. It only takes like 30 seconds to make. See? Just see how fast I do it. Done. No, not. Done. So guys, I'm actually going to do 2 of them at the same time. Look at this cool things with my eyes.
You say,
So anyway, got that. Got that. You hear us singing, guys? Alright, so 3, 2, 1. I wasn't that loud because you're supposed to do it with your right hand also. Because I throw a football with my left, and so look. Even her headphones came off. After that, I was like, wow. Then one just came out of her ear like, see, that's how loud and echoey it is. Peace. Dab on them haters, yeah. Punch the haters, yeah. Give them the right jab, yeah. Wait, yeah. Then the left, yeah. And then hit the folks. Yeah. And then you gotta hit the shoot. Don't make it sound. Oh, I gotta bend down some. But anyway, shoot. Where they at? So, then you gotta hit the folks. Yeah. Then you gotta hit the dab. Then you gotta hit the Superman. Then you gotta hit the folks. Yeah. Then you have to hit the shoot. Shh. Don't make it sound. Shoot. See, it's hard to do it in the air. And yeah, you gotta hit the invisible box shot. You gotta do the invisible. Oh my gosh, boy. It's like I'm playing. So anyway, guys, that's how you make it. See ya later. Oh, why didn't it work? Oh, you gotta have 50 subscribers to do it. Bet.